As I know, a lot of students wanted to make their career in music and sound industry, but usually running behind certification, PG diploma. Why this particular course interested me and I decided to visit Universal AI University, the reason is it is giving you the concrete degree, you are getting a proper UG degree in sound engineering, जहाँ पे आप अपना career पैशन साथ में परस्यू कर सकते हो. So what I understood about this course, like when you say BTech in sound engineering, it's not something very theoretical or only practical. It's something the merger of the industry. And the pioneer of this course who launched this course is one of the legend in the music industry, जो है Sonu Nigam. He is also on their advisory boards. Looking at all this, I thought why not do a research on this particular course so that I can give you a detailed information. Now this 4-year course gives you an insight of everything, like hands-on practical, because the people who are running it are the industry experts. So you get to do the networking. You can tomorrow have your own recording studio. You can work for the biggest of the music company. Also, you can be a freelancer. And yes, you get an add-on advantage of being a leader and an entrepreneur in the industry.
Institute और university बताने के पहले let me show you their work, which is फर्जी वेब सीरीज़, जो आपने definitely देखी होगी. पूरा music और जो sound effects है वो इन्होंने ही किया है. And as you can see, they have a proper studio setup जहाँ पे आप सारी चीज़ें minutely सीखते हो, because sound जो है वो किसी भी movie का soul होता है, and that requires lot of practice, lot of training and yes experience as well, जो कि आपको मिलता है hands on practical करते हुए by the industry experts. So इसी तरीके से आप सीखोगे. And obviously now you will be curious to know कि भाई institute भी बता दो, because this is quite interesting, I'm sure about it. Now let's see the campus and the university. So Universal AI University in association with Sound Ideas offer this course, and as you can see your campus, this is one of the beautiful campus that I have seen with the well-equipped technology lab. So guys, if you are interested, all the details about the admission and the course is there in the description box. This is the first AICT approved program in sound engineering, which gives the more valuation to the degree. And sound engineering एक ऐसा field है जहाँ पे demand बहुत ज़्यादा है but supply बहुत ही कम. And as we see, entertainment industry is rapidly growing. So ये जो demand है वो grow ही होने वाली है. So you have an amazing career prospect. Now talking about the course creator, Mr. Pramod Chandorkar. He is one of the known name in the sound engineering in the industry. He has been working in the industry as a sound engineer since 1995 and has educated a lot of well-known sound engineers right now in the industry. इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में काम करने के बाद Mr. Pramod thought of designing a well-structured UG degree program, because he saw a lot of people spending so much of money going abroad and learning the same thing. So he wanted to do something for the students who can study in India and fulfill their dream and career in the world of sound. And that's how, with the expert input, if you see the course of 4 years is divided into 2 years of basic and 2 years of proper specialization, जो कि काफी unique specialization है. You can do specialization in music production, audiography, which is the sound for film, live concert sound. These students will be then extensively trained for 2 years in these specialization. And as you will be learning from all the industry experts, they are already working on the live projects where you get an opportunity to make that connection, to do that networking and get the projects for yourself.
So I believe, guys, that you got a clear idea about the university as well as the Sound Idea Academy, how they are gonna merge and where you will be studying. And both the programs are there. आप दोनों ही देख सकते हो. एक पूरा का पूरा technical है and one is BA in music audio production. So if you're a non-technical person, still you can do a lot. And also, guys, the interesting part is people who want to be an artist, want to be a singer, can do a BA program. And technician बनना चाहते हो तो obviously BTech gonna be the best bet. All the details are there in the caption below. And the admission for the academic year 2024 is open. So go check out and apply now.